Hi everyone, I am Shannon Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be talking about how to live in a house while renovating it. So I'm going to give you all the advice, tips, tricks I can think of that will help while living in a house while renovating. My boyfriend bought this house in Joshua Tree and we are fully renovating it. I'm actually in our kitchen right now. This is our kitchen right now. So my first tip for living in a house that you're renovating is make sure there's at least one source of running water, or at least, if you can, one bathroom at a time. We actually got some help with demoing just to make it go quicker, and we demoed the entire house except for one bathroom. We left one bathroom untouched so we could live here and we could go to the bathroom and so we can shower. And we actually even used the sink as our kitchen sink, since I'm literally sitting in our kitchen right now. Thank God we have two bathrooms, so we demoed the bathroom in there and it's completely nothing, and we left that bathroom untouched so we can use that while demoing, and then I'll fix up that bathroom first, and then once that bathroom is fully renovated, then I'll start with the other bathroom. After a long day of getting dirty and working on the house, you're exhausted, tired, the one thing you want to do is take a shower and get in bed. And I don't know about you, but me, if I wasn't able to take a shower after getting all dirty and gross, I would be miserable. So I need to take a shower after a long day of work before going to bed. The next one is a makeshift kitchen. We moved our kitchen into one of the bedrooms. We have a fridge in there. Pretty much anything that you can plug into an outlet is awesome. So we have an air fryer, we have a microwave. We bought this $20 electric stove from Walmart, a blender, a toaster. Anything you can plug into an outlet is awesome. Here's our pantry as well, and our little coffee station. And I hate to admit it because I am very eco-friendly and sustainable, but disposable stuff is very useful for this time when you don't have a kitchen. When you don't have a kitchen, it's really annoying and really hard to wash dishes, so it actually really is helpful to use disposable cutlery and plates and bowls and cups. The next topic is an air purifier. I really recommend getting an air purifier because literally everything you do creates dust. Ripping up the floors creates a ton of dust. Ripping up walls creates a ton of dust. Even installing, putting up drywall, cutting through drywall, that creates a ton of dust. Putting up joint compound, that creates dust. Cutting wood, almost everything you do creates dust and it gets everywhere. So I have this little teeny air purifier and I just have it running constantly. Also with that, I guess, is try and keep your rooms separated. Like, try and section off parts of the house if you can, just because there is so much dust, and we literally have to clean every day just because dust gets everywhere. Which actually leads me to my next point of get a trash couch. Like, this couch was actually from Golan's old house, and I actually didn't want him to bring it. I don't like it, and I actually plan on building a new couch, a new beautiful gorgeous couch. And I didn't want that staying in this house, but he wanted to have a place to sit, which was a valid point, so we brought it, and I'm so happy we did, because we would literally have nowhere to sit if we didn't bring them. I would have had to make getting a couch or building a couch a priority, and really that wasn't the first thing I should have worked on. I should work on getting a kitchen before building a couch. And plus, even if I did build the couch first, everything gets dusty and we're moving things in constantly that there's a chance it would have gotten damaged, and I would have had to clean it every day. I probably would have been frustrated about how dirty it was getting. So get a free couch from OfferUp, or bring an old couch, or find one on Facebook Marketplace or at a thrift store so dust can get on it and you can trash it and get rid of it after. My next piece of advice is try to have at least one room that's work-free, that you're not working on, that you can relax, go to sleep without having to worry about a mess everywhere, and you're thinking about all the things that you need to do, because living in a renovation is pretty exhausting in the sense that everywhere you look, there's something to do. Literally, I need to take that beam out, I need to take this fridge out, I need to take that wall out, I need to add a door there, I need to paint this wall, I need to add a kitchen. Like, everywhere you look, there's something to do. So try and have one room where you can just come and relax and not think about work, because living in renovation definitely can be overwhelming and can lead to becoming burnt out. The next one, I'd say try and keep your tools organized, or try and keep one area for all your tools, because definitely when we just moved here, I mean, there's still tools everywhere. I'm currently in the process of organizing my tools, but you're gonna have to buy so many new tools, and I quickly outgrew all of my toolboxes because of the new stuff that I had to buy for renovating. So it's very easy for the tools just to overrun the house, and there's just tools everywhere. Plus there's not really very many surfaces. I've had to create surfaces for me to set my stuff on top of. So I'll put dirty tools on the couch or in the bathroom, and I just find that I put dirty tools everywhere. So I've made more of an effort to keep all my tools over here and organized. At least I'm trying to organize it right now. My next tip is try and have one place to put all of your stuff. Wherever you're coming from, you're gonna bring a lot of stuff with you. When we just moved here, we brought everything in here, and stuff was everywhere. You couldn't walk anywhere. Plus, we had to move everything out again when we demoed our floors. So it was literally constantly moving stuff. Our house actually came with a shipping container, thank God, because we've kept all of our stuff in there, which has been awesome. If we need something, we can go there and grab it, but it's not in the way, or it doesn't get dusty from all the construction and demoing. So if you can find one place, either a garage or even one room to contain everything, at least there's not a disaster all over the house. If you're gonna put it in a room, maybe put it in the room that you're gonna demo last, just so you don't have to keep moving stuff constantly. Moving is exhausting. And with that, I'd say get a dolly. You're gonna constantly be moving fridges, ovens, washing machines, even just boxes of your own stuff. We've moved so much now that I don't even lift like bins that are pretty light, because I want to save my energy for actually renovating the house instead of moving stuff constantly. So a dolly is super helpful. Kind of on the same topic is plastic bins. I love these clear plastic bins. I swear by, I honestly should be sponsored by them because I love them so much. I've convinced Golan of them too. I think we probably have like 20 or more of these clear plastic bins. So many reasons why I love them. When we moved here initially, all my stuff were in these bins. Golan's stuff were in cardboard boxes. All of the boxes that he brought were either collapsed, we can't put them on a dolly because they're too flimsy. Even when you pick them up, they kind of fall apart, and bugs and dust can still get into it, and especially if you're renovating, your stuff is gonna be in there for a while. So why not just put it in a plastic bin so that no bugs get into it, no dust, and your stuff is actually protected, and it's a lot easier to move. And I like the clear ones because I can see what's in it, and I actually have labeled everything for, you know, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen stuff, so it's easy to find, but also out of the way, and I can't swear by these enough. Since then, have convinced Golan to switch to the clear plastic bins again, so now we have a whole wall in our storage unit of all these clear plastic bins. When we just got here, his stuff was in cardboard boxes, and I would open it up and there'd be spiders in them, and I was just like, I'm not, go get that for me. I'm not touching that stuff. But now we have all clear plastic bins. We can find everything, everything's labeled, and all of that stuff is protected, because a lot of that stuff we won't even need until the house is renovated.
So this is a video of our shipping container that I sent to my sister Erin, showing off my organization skills because we're both obsessed with organizing.
I'm sending this to you because I'm going to show off our organization. This is all Goodwill or sell. This I just need to take out. It's saying we need to take that out. So this is my tools section. I need to still organize it, but tools right here is big, like, you know, furniture, TV, mattresses, furniture, and then right here is our freaking entire house. I guess right here is like extra tool stuff. This is decor. I haven't gone through that yet. But here is our entire house. So up here is like more the generic, like house stuff, like Golan and my stuff. So like kitchen towels, the stuff that we won't use as much because we have more kitchen stuff already. And then here, Golan stuff, my stuff. And then here's our, I guess, our kitchen cabinet stuff. And this is over here is like raw materials, like wood. And haven't gone through this obviously, but our entire friggin' house is in these boxes. Yeah, I just needed to show you, like, how satisfying. My last tip is to take time for yourself, because everywhere you look, there's something to do. It's like you're living in a to-do list, so it can become really overwhelming, and all these things I want done now, or want done yesterday, so it's like I don't have time to do yoga, I don't have time to like sleep, because all these things need to be done now. And so the first like 2 months I kind of got burnt out because I wanted all these things done immediately, and there's really not enough time in the day, and I actually kind of burnt myself out, and I actually even hurt my back a bit, and I actually ended up not being able to work for a couple days. There's some things that I actually had to redo because I was so stressed and trying to just get it done immediately instead of doing it properly and taking my time. Since I burnt out and I started taking time for myself, or trying to take care of myself as well, my work has improved, and I enjoy the process more. Instead of it being stressful, chaotic process, it's more enjoyable. I enjoy painting the wall, and I have more time to record videos too. So be patient and take your time and enjoy the process. Another tip is wherever you move to, like we moved to Joshua Tree, the desert, it's really hot, and we didn't have AC at first, so we both would get so exhausted so easily because we didn't have AC. We have split AC units in every single room now, and it's amazing. But for the first month we didn't have, or maybe 2 months, we didn't have AC, and we would just get tired so much easier because it's so hot and we're not used to this heat. So wherever you go, make temperature a priority. If you're going somewhere freezing, make sure there's a heater so that you can live comfortably while living there. I think that's all my tips for living in a house that you're renovating. If you're doing the same and I miss anything, if you have any other advice, add it in the comments. Or if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.